Have you ever wondered how a young fintech company could go from skepticism to smashing Wall Street's predictions? Today we're diving deep into SoFi Technologies, their latest performance, and whether this fintech disruptor has what it takes to become a long-term winner. SoFi, short for social finance, was founded in 2011 with one mission: to make student loan refinancing simpler and more affordable. Back then, very few believed a startup could challenge giant banks. Many analysts doubted whether SoFi's digital-first model could ever scale. But over time, SoFi transformed from a niche lender into a full-fledged financial ecosystem. Today, they offer lending, banking, investing, insurance, and even cryptocurrency services, positioning themselves as a one-stop shop for personal finance. Despite early skepticism, SoFi's journey has been remarkable. One of their biggest milestones came in 2021 when they went public through a SPAC merger. The IPO gave them visibility, but also brought intense scrutiny from Wall Street. Investors wanted to see whether this flashy fintech could actually deliver consistent growth. Then, in 2022, SoFi secured a coveted bank charter, which was a game changer. Unlike many fintech rivals, SoFi can now operate as a real bank, hold customer deposits, and issue loans directly. This lowers costs, improves margins, and gives SoFi a powerful edge against competitors like PayPal or Robinhood that lack this advantage. Now let's talk numbers. Their most recent earnings report, SoFi shocked Wall Street by delivering $1.54 billion in revenue, up 35% year over year. Even more impressive, they posted a net income of $44.6 million, compared to a loss in the same quarter last year. For a growth stage fintech, turning profitable this early is a huge milestone. Membership also surged into the millions, proving that customers are embracing SoFi's all-in-one platform. Breaking down their revenue streams gives us more insight. Their lending segment, covering student loans, personal loans, and mortgages, remains the largest contributor. But SoFi is not just a lender anymore. Their technology platform, which powers services for other financial institutions, is growing steadily and creating recurring income. Then there's their financial services arm, which includes stock trading, crypto, and SoFi Money accounts. This segment is scaling quickly and positions SoFi as more than just a fintech lender, but as a digital finance hub. SoFi has also been making bold moves in cryptocurrency and investing. With fractional shares, beginner-friendly tools, and easy access to crypto, they've positioned themselves to attract younger investors who want everything in one app. This diversification reduces risk and increases cross-selling opportunities. Imagine a customer who refinances a student loan, then opens a SoFi checking account, later invests in ETFs, and eventually dabbles in crypto, all within the same ecosystem. That's exactly what SoFi is building. Wall Street has taken notice. Analysts who were once skeptical are now upgrading their ratings. Some highlight the accelerating growth, strong management under CEO Anthony Noto, and the company's ability to execute on its vision. Retail investors, especially on platforms like Reddit and Twitter, are buzzing with excitement, with many calling SoFi a breakout stock for the future. But let's not ignore the challenges. Fintech space is brutally competitive. Giants like PayPal, Block, and even traditional banks are constantly innovating. Rising interest rates could impact lending demand, and regulatory hurdles, especially around crypto, pose real risks. On top of that, SoFi's stock itself has been volatile, with heavy trading volume driving sharp price swings. Some analysts believe this volatility could signal a breakout, while others warn it may lead to sharp corrections. Looking ahead, SoFi's roadmap is ambitious. They're expanding their product suite, investing in AI-driven financial tools, preparing for the return of the student loan repayment cycle, which could boost demand for refinancing. Their bank charter gives them more control over growth, and partnerships with other fintechs could accelerate their reach. If they can maintain momentum, SoFi has the potential to evolve into one of the leading digital financial platforms in the world. In summary, SoFi's story is one of perseverance, innovation, and execution. From early doubts to smashing Wall Street expectations, they've proven that fintech disruption is here to stay. Their latest earnings report showcased massive revenue growth, early profitability, and expanding customer adoption. While risks remain, the long-term outlook is compelling. So what do you think? Is SoFi stock on its way to becoming the next fintech giant? Or Do you believe the risks outweigh the rewards? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And if you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more financial insights, and check out my other deep dives into the stock market.